For today's lesson, I'm going to share with you how to do a Scratchboard sugar skull. We're going to use some of this black paper here where you scratch it away. It has a lot of colors underneath it, and we're going to use a transfer technique to make an image go onto another one. All right, let's get started. A flower up here, so you could go ahead and draw, whatever you wanted that to be on the actual white piece of paper. I'm just going to put this on here. It's a lot easier to draw it on the white piece of paper and then transfer it over to the black. To transfer this now over here, we're going to take this and we're going to do a little scribbling technique where you just go ahead and scribble the back of it to get it so it's filled up. Once you have it all scribbled on the back, then we're going to place this right on top of the Scratchboard. You're going to line it up evenly, and I'm going to use some tape. Just one piece of tape should work out fine, and I'm going to put that right on the top here. And I'm going to just go the tracing part now. I'm going to use a pen to go over those lines and to try to get that to show up on the black. So I'm going to go ahead and work going over everything that I see. Even the drawing that I did up here, I'm going to go over and trace it. If I got them all. Okay, so you might be able to see on there, might not. Let me put up a little bit closer. You can kind of see a light line. You don't want to see too much of a line in your work, but it looks like now I am ready to start scratching. Now, in order to scratch, we have a couple different tools. These are called styluses, and I have a few that I 3D printed, and then I have some wooden ones as well. They both work pretty good while you're going on this. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You could start taking away color in certain areas. You could go over the lines. You could even start by going and doing the background space, the negative space area where the skull isn't. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try taking away this background space first and see what it turns out like. It kind of looks neat. I could take out more. I could add more design in there, or I could even take it all out by just doing it a solid background there where I just take out every single bit of that black piece. It's kind of a good way to get started. Now, after I've done that, I could kind of think about where I want the color. So this is going to be kind of the opposite of this one, so I might want to go ahead and take away like in these eyes here, so I might go around here, and I might actually just take out all this middle area if I wanted to. I could leave some of it black, but I'm going to go ahead and kind of work on this and show you how this one ended up. Alright, this is how they turned out, guys. We have two different styles, one with the background taken out and one without it. Lots of detail.